Do you know what is the one most important thing when it comes to cloud security? Yes, I said cloud security. I did not use the word cybersecurity. Uh, it is about cloud security because as soon as you move your data to the cloud, either if you are 100% in the cloud or you have a hybrid, the perfect scenario is Microsoft SharePoint, Microsoft Team, and Exchange. Many large organizations, they have hybrid environment, and chances are you may be using OneDrive, so your data is in the cloud, or it could be Box or Dropbox, so many SaaS application, and you may be publishing application through Azure in the cloud. So now we are not in a traditional behind the firewall scenario. And I've seen many organizations which are 100% or even they are in hybrid, but most of their Microsoft related stuff when it comes to document management, files, everything is in the cloud, which makes the perfect sense because you have Microsoft Team for everything. You want to cross collaborate. So you already have the Word and Excel sheet for people to work in the cloud, which absolutely makes sense. That's the reason it is in the cloud. Same thing with the email. So you don't attach emails anymore. Imagine if you work on Excel sheet in the accounting and finance department. Imagine if they have some confidential information. They may have some banking information. They may have some social security or bank account number, the routing number, right? So these things happen. How would you know as a solution architect for security? How would you know as an engineer? So this is where you need to know and perform the cloud discovery. And this is where it is very important. You do need to perform cloud discovery, which will allow you to give the visibility in that environment. So you need to understand what's there before you do anything. So large organization, there are people with different roles who does this. But if you're a small organization, you may end up doing everything and there will be a lot of learning for you. So it really depends. Once you know, okay, this type of data is expected or we seeing is in their environment in the cloud or in OneDrive, then you have to apply the controls accordingly, which is usually derived by your internal information security policies from your cybersecurity department. What if you have any application making an API call and collecting the data? So you also have to account for that. And this is where you need to apply different controls even for API publishing. And also you have to apply controls around the identity and access management when it comes to cloud. Then you need to know whom or you share those files. For example, two companies working together. If there's a vendor, you allow them to access your files. So something called external sharing. So this is where you need to look into those. So these are the pieces make really significant difference when it comes to traditional security versus the cloud security. And this is why you need to understand. And there we can say in Microsoft 365, we have Microsoft Cloud App Security. I have some videos available which talks about and contain some scenario that can give you the risk profile on the identity, if maybe something related to the data. For example, if somebody is accessing from US and you see suspicious activity of the same file access coming from out of US or where you have no offices. Yeah. So this is a problem. So that's in a nutshell. I wanted to explain to you what is cloud security and how does it work. And all the tool you have here in Microsoft environment is called Microsoft Cloud App Security. Stay tuned for future videos. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.